our today's topic is my SAP ERP application and its components or modules. Yesterday I told you that my SAP ERP is the part of my SAP business suite. That is the product of my SAP business suite. So small size company uses SAP Business One, medium size my SAP all-in-one, complete functionality, pre-configured. And my SAP Business Suite has got most extensive functionality. What is the meaning of most extensive functionality? Yesterday I told you that there are standard templates already created into SAP system by SAP company for the flexibility of the companies, so that they can use those standard templates as their business processes. If the standard template fulfill the requirement of the business process, they can use that. If it doesn't, then they enhance the software through the ABAP programming language. So now in my SAP ERP, because my SAP ERP is the software which we are using for our development, for our training. So my SAP ERP application has got three components, three main components, which is the first one is financial, as you can see here. The second one is logistics, and the third one is human resources, or human capital management, which is called HCM. So three main components of my SAP ERP is financial, logistics, and human capital management. Now under these components we have modules. Financials have got certain modules. For example, FI is called financial accounting, CO management accounting or controlling, AA asset accounting, FM funds management. So these four modules are the part of financial component of SAP, of my SAP ERP. Similarly, logistics covers sales and distribution, materials management, project system, plant maintenance, plant maintenance, and human capital management covers human resources. Human resources is an old name. Now its new name is human capital management. It is not called now human resources. It is called human capital management, HCM. So I believe that students always have got the confusion when they come to know different names, SCM, SRM. Yesterday I showed you about the products of my SAP ERP. New dimensional products, industry specific solutions, and today I'm telling you the system which we are using, what is inside this system. My SAP ERP is the name of the software which is normally used by the companies, and which we will be using as well for our training. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planner. ERP is a group of softwares, a group of softwares which gives the planning to the enterprises is ERP software. SAP is one of them. Oracle is another of its kind. JD Edwards is another one. Sage Advanced software is also also belongs to the genre of ERP. So SAP is one of them. SAP is the largest one. Why it is largest? It is the largest not according to its usage, but according to the functionality which it provides to the organization. It provides the most extensive functionality which none other ERP is offering. So other definition, I will tell you that ERP, why such softwares are called ERP? Because these software give the planning to the organization how to run the business. What used to happen, that organizations were using software, they were making planning first, but the software is not was were not helping them in the planning. They were making planning on the Excel sheet, yeah, on the paper, yeah, and then feed them on the softwares. But when the ERP was introduced, what happened that ERP standard templates, yeah. Now SAP standard templates are to the uh, according to the scenarios of many businesses,
industries.
many industries. Yeah, SAP has surveyed many industries and tried to extract those business processes which are most commonly used in every organization, and according to them they have created the standard template for the organizations to use them. Okay, benefits of SAP. The original SAP idea was to provide customers with the ability to interact with a common corporate database for a comprehensive range of applications. SAP is a single information system for all of us. Even we belong to different departments, yeah, but all of us, it's a single information system. And all the application access common data. Again, as I told you, the database is the same and the common data will be used. And this concept, when it evolves further, you can take this concept for all the global companies located all around the world. That all around the world, the companies are using the same data. So they are communicating with one another. So it's not like if there is no ERP system, if any company, for example, British Petroleum is a British company, if it is located in Saudi, yeah, and they are using different software, and England is using different softwares, so they don't know what is going on in Saudi unless they will publish the account statements in the end of the year. Then they will come to know how much profit and loss the company has made in being in Saudi Arabia. But within SAP, they can track everything real time. At the retail level, they will be using small software packages. Yeah, like you mentioned, Carriage. Yeah, Carriage is used, and my company is using Euphrates. Yeah, Euphrates because they sell tobacco. Yeah, so what they do that at the retail sector, they use Euphrates, which is normally used in shops. And but at the higher level, at the management level, they are using SAP. So SAP, where SAP use, where they have to track the financial statements, balance sheet, profit and loss statement. It's very easy to track. It's very easy for the management to make any decision related to the investment or anything related to the organization. The third is applications interact with each other when real business events occur. For example, when events in sales and productions occur, accounting is done automatically. You are hiring 10 people to do one job. Yeah, now you have to hire only one person to do the job because it's ERP system, it's automatic. Everything is automated. You have sold something, my balance sheet will be updated automatically. So that's the original idea. Sales can see when the productions can be delivered. Thus, the whole SAP system is designed to work in real time. Real time means this software works through internet. It's like server-based approach it has got. All the companies access SAP system through internet connection. If the server is down, it will be down for all the companies all around the world. When the company implements SAP, they have to buy the server from SAP company. Okay. Yeah, they have to actually get the license. Yeah. Yeah. SAP NetWeaver. Okay, that is the first. NetWeaver is an application. Yeah, in my SAP ERP, rather I will say NetWeaver is another module. Yeah, and in this module, many aspects actually happen. And if you want to understand SAP NetWeaver, you have to go for the training of SAP Basis. Basis consultant who does all the networking and integration with external SAP systems. So Basis job is quite a lot. Yeah, he makes the integration with the external softwares. For example, your company is using Carriage. Yeah, you think that Carriage is all alone. No, Carriage will have the integration with the SAP system. Carriage is an external system.
Okay.
Yeah, but SAP will be communicating with Carriage. It is not that there is no integration. No, there will be integration. So how this is done? This is done through SAP NetWeaver. So SAP NetWeaver is an open integration and application platform. Its service-oriented architecture provides the flexibility required for change and innovation. SAP combines leading apps with the SAP NetWeaver platform into flexible solutions that easily integrated with non-SAP software.